Primero que nada, me da muchísimo gusto el hecho de que haya venido tanta gente, tantos clientes, tantos socios comerciales, tantos integradores, el poder convivir con ellos, poder platicar, poderles exponer realmente cuáles son las nuevas tecnologías que está desarrollando KUKA, cuáles son los proyectos y los procesos que están haciendo, ¿para qué? Para poder innovar, para estar dentro del mercado de lo que realmente es tan cambiante día a día.
El interés que hay de KUKA, no solo en el país, sino en toda la región, ha incrementado de manera importante, tanto que también tuvimos gente de Asia, viene un partner desde Shanghai que trae tecnologías y soluciones súper innovadoras, vino gente de Colombia, vino gente de todos los estados de la República, de Guadalajara, de Nuevo León, de Aguascalientes, de Ciudad de México.
I felt like the audience was very engaged, especially when I talked about the labor subject, when I talked about, the number of people that you need for operations, the costs that are involved, how you need to analyze that. I felt like there was a different level of engagement with the audience when I started to talk about that. And so I always want to bring it back to, what's happening in the industry, and then what is KUKA doing to help the customer with those issues, and then circle that back, to the original problems.
I wanted it to not be a sales presentation, right? We want them to get value of this, understand the technology, learn how to implement it into the field. And in order to do that, we wanted to show what are some real life use cases. It's nice to come across the border and share what we've learned in some of the other regions and really promote that borderless approach that we're trying at KUKA here, so it's great.
Making automation easier.